Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to prevent bot and spams account on Shopify. So to get started, Shopify store often gets hit with fake account, spam sign up, and bot attack, while Shopify has basic protection like Google reCAPTCHA built-in. You can strengthen your defense further without needing a code or without needing to code. So the first is to make sure Shopify reCAPTCHA is enabled by default. So it protects account creation, logins, contact forms, and checkout by forcing suspicious visitor to complete a human verification like clicking image. This already block both classic bot. However, for strong protection, you can use app like Shop Protectors, Human Presence, or Easy Spam Protection. This app offer advanced bot detection by analyzing users' behavior, click, mouse movement, and typing speed. So most blocking fake sign up before they were submitted. Some even protect newsletter forms, detect product review, and a custom form. Additionally, this app can block unknown spam IP address, limit account creation rate, and detect automated bot partners that reCAPTCHA might miss. So you won't need to touch any code. Just install the app, adjust the settings, then it will quietly run in the background to stop bot and spam account. So Shopify's built-in reCAPTCHA helps prevent basic spams, but for serious bot protection and spam account prevention, using a dedicated anti-bot app is the easiest no-code solution to keep your store clean and secure.